Your perfect stay at Collegiate Nova Nottingham awaits, an ideal abode offering everything you need and more. Choose from a range of spacious suites and studio apartments, each boasting a plush bed, dedicated study desk, a luxury mesh-backed adjustable study chair, ample shelving and storage space to accommodate all your essentials. Indulge in a refreshing shower in your private ensuite bathroom and whip up delectable meals in the well-equipped kitchen. But wait, there's more. Break a sweat in the private on-site gym, unwind in the eccentric simmer room, or challenge friends in the games area. With laundry services on-site and regular social events, Collegiate Nova Nottingham ensures a well-rounded university experience. In terms of location, Nottingham Trent International College and Nottingham Trent University are conveniently nearby, making sure your academic aspirations are easily within reach. Living at Collegiate Nova also means you can savor a variety of cuisines, with restaurants like Tough Mary's Bakehouse, Little Brick House, and the ever-popular P&K's Bistro Lounge ready to tantalize your taste buds. And for those who enjoy a bit of retail therapy, Victoria Center beckons with its wide selection of shops and boutiques. The area's nightlife is equally enticing, with bars such as the Bodega and Rock City, offering lively venues to unwind after hitting the books. Plus, with a robust public transport network, reaching your desired destination is always convenient, saving you significant money. So, what's holding you back? Head straight to amberstudent.com to book your ideal stay at Collegiate Nova Nottingham today.